Before attempting this kind of questions, you first of all check what is hindering you from getting your solution. By the time we check the question, we can see that this is on its own, this is on its own, but this term, the square root, is disturbing it. So we move everything that is not under the square root to one side. And now that we've done that, what is hindering us from getting the terms out of the square root is this 2. So we divide all through by 2. Now we square both sides. The square cancels the square root, 2x plus 5. And from the identity, a plus b all squared will be equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This will be 4 squared plus 2 times 4 times x, which is 8x, plus x squared, all divided by 2 squared, which is 4. Now we cross multiply. That will be 4 times 2x plus 5, which will be 8x plus 20, is equal to 16 plus 8x plus x squared. We now put it in the form of a quadratic equation by moving the left hand side to the right hand side. Since the x squared is present in the right hand side, plus 8x will cancel minus 8x, and we're left with x squared plus 16 minus 20, which is minus 4, is equal to 0. Add 4 to both sides, we have x squared is equal to 4. From here you can see where the solution is going to. Square root both sides, we have x is equal to the square root of 4, which is equal to the plus or minus 2. The square root of any positive number is always the plus or the minus of the square root number. Now that we've gotten our solution as x is equals to plus 2 or x equals to minus 2, let's confirm. From the initial equation, let's plug in x is equals to 2 plus 5 minus x is equal to 4. When x is equal to plus 2, that will be 2. The square root of 2 times 2 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 4. That will be 2 times 2 times 2. That will be 4 plus 5 minus 2 is equal to 4. That will be 2 times the square root of 9 minus 2 is equal to 4. That will be 2 times 3 minus 2 is equal to 4. That will be 6 minus 2 is actually equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. X is equal to plus 2. When x is equal to minus 2, 2 times the square root of 2 times minus 2 plus 5 minus bracket minus 2 is equal to 4. 2 square root of minus 4 plus 5 plus 2, since minus times minus is plus, is equal to 4. 2 times the square root of minus 4 plus 5, that is 1, plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 times square root of 1, that is 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. You can see that 4 is equal to 4 on both sides. That means x is either equal to plus 2 or minus 2. Stay excited.